In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a collaborator in Asana. This is a simple process that ensures all your team members are kept in the loop and can collaborate effectively on projects. Let's get started by opening up Asana. Once you're logged into your Asana account, you'll find yourself right on the home page. From here, your first step is to locate and click on the project where you want to add collaborators. This is generally straightforward. Just navigate through the list of your projects and find the one you're focusing on. Clicking on the project opens up a comprehensive view, providing detailed insight into all its tasks and activities. Now, within this project, you'll want to zero in on the specific task where you desire to add a collaborator. Doing this at the task level is crucial because it ensures that the collaborator is kept updated and involved in the progress of that specific task. Scroll down to the bottom of the Task Details section. Here, you will come across an area labeled as Collaborators, which neatly lists all the current collaborators attached to that task. If you're looking to add a new collaborator, simply click on the plus icon that's visible in this section. A text field will appear, inviting you to start typing the name of the person you wish to add. If the individual is already part of your organization's Asana space, their name should pop up automatically as you start typing. This makes it incredibly easy to select their name from the list to add them. There's also another handy method to add collaborators using the @mention feature. This is particularly useful in scenarios where you're in the comment section or typing within the task description. Just as you would in many other online platforms, type the symbol and begin entering either the name or the email address of the person you wish to include. As you type, various suggestions will appear, allowing you to select the correct name and officially add them as a collaborator. Additionally, if you find yourself in the process of creating a new task, you can add collaborators right from the get-go. During this task creation process, keep an eye out for the collaborators field. You can include the necessary people by following the same steps, typing their name directly into that field or making use of the @mention feature in the description or comments. This process of adding collaborators is essential in maintaining an organized workflow and ensuring that all involved parties can contribute effectively to the task at hand. Now that you've mastered this, you can easily keep your entire team informed on all parts of your projects. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful. Happy collaborating!